The default IP address of the Linksys range extender is 192.168.1.1. After connecting to the default wireless network, open any browser. In the address bar, enter the default IP address, or enter extender.linksys.com. As a wireless range extender, it extends wireless coverage without cables. The device scans for access points around it. The device extends coverage on both frequency bands. Now, you need to know the wireless network password of your main router. This is my main router. The wireless network name is Netgear. The password is 123.456.78. Select the wireless network you want to connect to. Then enter the password of the wireless network on your main router, your extended Wi-Fi network. Network name and password on both frequency bands. A very important note is the installation location of the Linksys range extender. It should not be too close or too far. Make sure the device is placed in the green zone for best results. The above are the steps to set up the Linksys Wi-Fi extender. Thank you for watching. To access the device after completing the setup, type extender.linksys.com in the browser's address bar. Enter the login password set in the previous step. Here you can change the settings or check the device's connection to the main router. Good luck.